Most of us have seen that pop up. Allow this app to access your current location. And what do? We just tap allow. But here is the truth. That single tap can expose your real time location, even if your VPN is on and Wi Fi is off. This is not just about privacy, it's about your personal safety. The problem right now, dozens of apps might be tracking where you go, how long you stay, and even selling that data to advertisers. Or worse, using it against you. Most people have no idea this is happening in the background. So, today I will show you which apps should and shouldn't have access to your location and how to finally take back control of your privacy. Step 1. Check permissions. Let's start simple. Go to Settings, Location, App Permissions. You will see three lists. Allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, not allowed. Now, we will go through what belongs where and why. Step 2. Apps that need your location. Some apps do need your location to function properly. Google Maps or other GPS apps. Obvious reasons. Ride sharing apps like Uber, Careem, or Talabat, so drivers can find you. Weather apps. They need your city to show accurate updates. Find My Device. Crucial for recovering a lost phone. Here is a tip. For all of these, always select allow only while using the app. Never always allow. Step 3. Apps you should block immediately. Now here is where things get risky. These apps do not need your constant location access. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, X, Twitter, they track you for ads. WhatsApp, Telegram, Messenger only need your location when you share it. Shopping apps like Amazon, Jumia, Noon, your address is enough. Mobile games, they use your location to push ads. Block location access for all of these. You will lose nothing but gain a lot of privacy. Step 4. Optional cases. A few apps are your choice. Camera and gallery. Photos can store hidden location data, metadata. Turn it off if you don't need it. Banking and payments apps. They sometimes use location for fraud protection. Keep it on only if you use them on the go. By managing these settings wisely, you will keep your phone working smoothly without letting companies track and sell your every move. Your privacy is not lost, it's just hidden behind a few settings.